जय श्री राम, जय माता दी। President and members of the management committee of the Hindu Sabha Temple, पुजारी जी, सारे भक्तगण, distinguished guests, नमस्कार and a very good evening to all of you. मुझे आज यहाँ आके बहुत खुशी है। मैं पहली बार यहाँ आया हूँ। मुझे कनाडा आए हुए करीब 2.5 महीने हुए हैं और ये मेरे लिए एक बड़ा शुभ अवसर है कि मेरी पहली विजिट में मुझे यहाँ आने का अवसर मिला और उस समय मिला जब यहाँ 50वीं सालगिरह इस मंदिर की मनाई जा रही है। मुझे लगता है कि इससे बड़ा सौभाग्य और कोई नहीं हो सकता। तो मैं आप सभी को इस अवसर पर हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ और ये आशा करता हूँ ये मंदिर इसी तरह से आगे भी लोगों में भक्ति की भावना, समन्वय की भावना और भारतीय संस्कृति को जागृत रखने की जो आपकी कोशिश है और जो विरासत है वो हमेशा आगे बनी रहेगी। I think I would like to congratulate the entire management committee, the priest and all the volunteers on this landmark Golden Jubilee celebration. I think there lies decade of uniting labor and this is I think is very important। लोगों की सालों की मेहनत का नतीजा है कि आज हम ये 50वीं सालगिरह मना रहे हैं। I think आप लोगों का एक विजन था और उस विजन ने इस हिंदू सभा मंदिर को जो ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये एक तरह से ट्रू मेल्टिंग पॉट है सनातन हिंदू कम्युनिटी के लिए। एक होम अवे फ्रॉम होम है फॉर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फैमिलीज एंड दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट। जो लोग यहाँ आके अपने आप को ईश्वर से जुड़ने का महसूस करते हैं और एक तरह से उनको एक मौका मिलता है कि वो अपनी भक्ति का यहाँ पे एक माध्यम पाते हैं, ईश्वर से जुड़ने का माध्यम पाते हैं। आई थिंक इससे बड़ी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती। तो मैं कॉन्सुलेट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से इस अवसर पर आपको हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ और मैं सबको इसके लिए जो भी इस कार्य में जुड़े हैं और जो भी मंदिर के अधिकारीगण हैं उन सभी को एक प्रशंसा के पात्र हैं, इसके लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। I think 50 years is not merely a number. It is, I think, is a half century of devotion and service. It is the story of the pioneers who gathered with a shared belief and determination to keep their heritage alive in this new land, the land of Canada, when they came here. And from those modest beginnings, I think an institution has grown up today which has profound significance in this land. And I would say this stands tall as a pillar of Sanatan Dharma here in Canada. And that is extremely important. So I would like to convey on this occasion also my gratitude to all those who were part of this journey in last 50 years. And I would also like to mention that what makes this journey extraordinary and truly extraordinary is that it is just not the longevity, but it is the depth of the purpose of this temple. Hindu Sabha Temple, as you all know, has been far more than a place of worship. It has been a custodian of culture, ensuring that rich traditions of India continues to flourish on Canadian soil. It has also been nurturing values, principles of dharma, compassion and respect for all those that have defined Sanatan philosophy for millennia. And it has tirelessly extended support to the elderly, the international students, and also the valuable support which it provides to the vulnerable, and that embodies the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, the world is one family. And I think that is truly remarkable for this temple, which has been in the service of the people for a long time. I think it is also worth reflecting on the temple's role as the bridge, a bridge between generations, ensuring that grandparents and the grandchildren find a common ground in shared faith, a bridge between India and Canada, strengthening ties and civilizational ethos between our two great nations, India and Canada. It is also a bridge between diverse communities within the Hindu diaspora itself. And it is also gratifying to know that the mandir also holds events, I think, to commemorate the supreme sacrifice of the four Sahibzada of Guru Gobind Singh Ji with utmost respect and devotion, and I think this is truly commendable. And this temple is visited by devotees from every region of India, united in devotion. भक्ति के सागर में यहाँ के जो डूबते हैं वो एक तरह से अपने आप में एक मिसाल है. And I think this spirit of unity in diversity is what defines this Hindu Sabha temple, and that is, I think, is the most enduring contribution of this Hindu Sabha temple. The Indian community in the Greater Toronto area continues to grow, and with that comes a greater need for space for worship, learning and belonging. And it is therefore with great admiration that I learn of the temple's new expansion plan and projects, which is going to add additional facilities like retirement home and a community center. This is, I think, is a truly forward-looking and timely initiative, one that will significantly enhance the temple's capacity to serve its growing congregation, providing more space for worship, for cultural education, and for community gathering. And this expansion is not simply about adding bricks and mortar. It is also about expanding the very capacity of this institution to nurture faith, foster community, and assist our diaspora for generations. And I would like to congratulate for this expansion plan which you have created. And I think I would like to reiterate here that Consulate remains committed to support this endeavor in whatever we can, and we will continue to do so. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, as India continues its journey as a confident rising nation, I think institutions like this Hindu Sabha temple plays an important role in carrying forward our civilizational values to every corner of the globe. And in fact, you are the true trustees, and I would say the cultural ambassadors of the India. And the Government of India recognizes this and values this contribution immensely. So my congratulations once again to the founders of this institution and all those who are carrying forward this tradition and maintaining this temple, providing a space for all to come together and worship and offer their worship or the prayers to the God. I think that is remarkable. And I would also like to say that as we mark this Golden Jubilee, I think let us also look ahead with hope and purpose. I think I would say that may the next 50 years see this temple grow in strength, in service, and in spiritual significance. May it continue to be a center where faith is nurtured, culture is celebrated, and community is strengthened. Once again, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to all who have contributed in this incredible journey. May the divine blessings of the God continue to guide Hindu Sabha temple towards even greater heights of service and devotion. At the end, I would like to say that this is a cause for which everyone would like to connect to. And as I said, we will always be supportive of this cause of the Hindu Sabha temple and the services which you have been rendering to the people by providing a place for getting together, for offering prayers and expressing their devotional, values and devotional desires. I think this is something remarkable, and may it continue for next 100, 200, 300 years in this land or even more. So my congratulations once again to Lamaji, Prasarji, all those who have gathered here today to celebrate this occasion. This is a truly remarkable occasion. 50 years is not less. I think in anyone's journey, in anyone's life, 50 years is a milestone which needs celebration, and I think that today's celebration is a very befitting example of that. You have come in large numbers here. I think that itself shows the kind of place this great temple has. I once again wish all and everyone here a very happy evening, and I would not like to come in between the devotional evening which we are having today. I would like to conclude here. Once again, my congratulations. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Mata Di, Jai Hanuman, Bajrang Bali ki Jai. Bhagwan Shri Ram ki Jai. Thank you.